Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to take a screenshot without button on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if you are still taking screenshot using the power button and volume button pressed simultaneously, then you should immediately abandon this method because it is really complicated because you can take a screenshot without having to use any button at all. Okay, first, now you can go to the control center, you can swipe down, and then now you can click take a screenshot like this, and then the screenshot will taken without having to use any button at all. And then the second one is now you can use Edge panel on the side of the screen, and then now you can click on the screenshot feature, and then so yeah, the screenshot will taken without having to use any button. Alright guys, so it is right, and here's the tutorial on how to take a screenshot without having to use any button. And thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.